Send feedback form after appointment to customers automatically. So assume that your customer has just completed an appointment with you. Now after 2 to 3 hours of the appointment, you want to send a feedback form to your customer. So either you can manually monitor the time of the appointment and share the feedback with each customer one by one again and again, or you can automate this process. So what will happen, whenever the appointment is completed, the automation will wait for 2 to 3 hours and will send the feedback form automatically. Well, in this particular case, I'm taking the example of TidyCal appointment booking software, but in place of TidyCal, you can also go with Calendly or Equity Scheduling or with other application and automate this process. Want to learn how you can also do that? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the customer feedback form which will automatically send to customer after 2 to 3 hours of the appointment, and I have created this form using Google Forms where I'm asking the customer, hey, have you attended the appointment? And if they will select yes, what will happen? More feedback option, more feedback question will open here, that would you visit our salon again in future? How satisfied are you with our service, or how can we improve our service? But if the customer will select no as the option, what will happen? The same form will be redirected to this place. We totally understand if you don't have time to attend the appointment, would you like to reschedule it? Here is the link to reschedule the appointment, and this is the link of that appointment booking software, that is TidyCal. Here you can notice I have created this appointment booking for salon, and again telling you, in place of TidyCal, you can also go with other appointment booking applications like Equity Scheduling or Calendly or Google Calendar, and there are a lot more. Okay, and once the appointment is completed, the form will be sent on Gmail application. So now, in order to automate this whole process, we will have to build a connection, build an integration in this TidyCal and in this Gmail application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as auto send feedback form to customer after 2 to 3 hours of the appointment. Now it is asking to select the folder, so selecting this main workflow folder, now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. So in this way, you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new booking is completed in this TidyCal software, then automatically send a feedback form via Gmail application. Okay, so that is why as an action application I'll go with the same, that is Gmail. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect this TidyCal with the Pabbly Connect, but before that we will have to select the trigger event, that is new booking. You can also read the instructions, triggers when new booking is scheduled. Alright, yes, I want to perform the same, so clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, then clicking on this button, and if you are already logged in your TidyCal account, it will automatically detect that access. Simply provide the access, simply click on that button, the authorization is successful, and TidyCal account is successfully connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that the most recent booking details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I am going to copy this booking link, and in front of you I will create a new dummy booking, and then I will click on that button, and you will notice how my details will be captured via Pabbly Connect automatically. Okay, so how about I schedule the appointment for this 21st of November, and the timing timing will be 1:30 p.m. and as a name I will be providing some dummy details only. How about I go with this demo customer? Okay, in email address also I will write something like demo customer at pabblytudes.com, and further it is asking for the phone number, so let me add a dummy phone number, a 10-digit phone number. Alright, so I have added the same. Here you can review the booking details. 21st of November at 1:30 p.m. Asia, Kolkata is the timing and 30 minutes appointment. Clicking on this book event button, and as soon as the booking is confirmed here, coming back to dashboard of Pabbly Connect and clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that the same recent booking details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Here you can clearly notice the same phone number which we have added at the time of booking. Here we have the time zone also, and here we have the customer details also, that is the email address, the full name of the person. And here I'll show you one more thing. Remember, we have scheduled the appointment for 1:30 p.m. but the response which we have got in Pabbly Connect has the timing as 8 a.m. and we also have the end timing as 8:30 a.m. So basically the same appointment timing has been captured into the UTC format. So by simply converting this UTC format into the Asia Kolkata, you will get the relevant timing, you will get the exact timing, that is of November 21st 1:30 p.m. and currently we have November 21st 8:30 and this 8 p.m. Okay, so how you can do this conversion? Well, it is very easy. Before your Gmail step, you'll have to click on this plus icon and search for date and time formatter feature, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can apply different kind of operations within your date. Currently I'll go with the same, that is format date with time zone, clicking on connect, and it will be connected immediately. Now we will select the date which we would like to format, and the interesting thing here is I don't need to manually copy the above date and paste below again and again for every new appointment completion. Okay, so I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the very same date and time, that is starts at. Alright, I have mapped it. Now you must be thinking, what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so whatever the details you will map here from the drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, now it is asking to select the from format as well as the to format. Okay, so we have the from format as this, that is YYYYMMDD and this T, then HHMMSS and also this Z along with this timing. Okay, so I think the same format has got selected here automatically. So how about I directly selected the to format? Well, I would like to capture the same date and time into the simpler format, that is YYYYMMDD and then HHMMSS. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is HHMMSS. Okay, now why I am selecting specifically this format, I will show you later, I will explain you later. Currently in this from time zone, you will have to select this UTC, ETC, and further in the to time zone, go with this Asia and Kolkata. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so I have selected the same, clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response to receive. Well, the response is received. Let us check the timing, and we have this 13:30 timing, and of course 13:30 means is actually 1 p.m. only. I'm really sorry, not 1 p.m, 1:30 p.m. only. Okay, so in this way you can do the conversions in your dates. Now after that, I will have to send the feedback form to the customer after 2 to 3 hours of this particular timing. Now how I'm going to delay my automation for at least next 2 to 3 hours? Well, again it is very easy with the Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this plus icon after your date and time formatter step and search for delay. Well, delay is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can delay your automation until a specific date and time or a specific duration of time as well. Here you can notice it is asking for the action event. Select this add a time delay. Now click on connect and it will be connected immediately, and now here you will find two options: how much delay you want to put in your workflow, whether you want to delay your automation for a specific duration of time like for some minutes, hours, days or weeks, or you want to delay your automation until a specific date and time. So yes, I want to perform the same. Now it is asking for the delay date, that is this. Okay, so I would like to delay my automation for next 3 hours. So I think I should provide the timing of next 3 hours only, and that is going to be at least 16:30. Okay, currently we have the timing as 13:30. If I will add plus 3 hours, so that is going to be 14:30, 15:30 and the 16:30. So now from where I will find out that after 3 hours timing. So again click on this plus icon and search for the date and time formatter feature once again. Okay, and this time with the help of this date and time formatter feature, we are going to add plus 3 hours in our existing date. Yes, it is also possible with this amazing feature. Simply click on connect and again it will be connected immediately. Simply provide the date in which you would like to add 3 hours. Okay, currently I am going to map this specific date and time because I have converted that UTC into this Asia and Kolkata timing. Now finally it is asking for the expression. So because I want to add hours here, so that is why the syntax will be the same, and in place of plus 8 hours here I will add this plus 3 hours. Okay, so I have done the same. Now it is asking for the to and the from format as well. So I have this form format, that is YYYYMMDD HH Okay, so give me a second, let me check for the same. All right, asking for the to format. So let me tell you a very important thing. Delay always take the date and time in this specific format only, that is YYMMDD HH So make sure while converting the date or while subtracting or adding any hours or date in your existing timing, make sure you select the same timing, the same format for which delay is asking. Okay, so searching for the same, that is YYYYMMDD HH Okay, so clicking on this button once again, and this time I'm really expecting the timing of 16:30. All right, fingers crossed. And yes, we have got the timing of after 3 hours. We have got the timing of after 3 hours of the appointment, which I can specify here in my delay step. Okay, give me a second, let me click here. Well, you can notice currently I am not able to access the recent data. So simply click on this refresh field button, and in this way the recent data will be accessible from this drop down. Now you tell me which particular step I have to open. So of course I'll go with this add subtract timing because I have found out the timing of the 16:30 hours. Okay, clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that my automation will be delayed until this specific time. Now once our delay step will be executed, once this particular timing will arrive, what should be the next step? So basically it should send the customer feedback form to the customer automatically. So for sending that form I will use this Gmail application because I'm planning to send that form via Gmail, basically via email. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I'll select the action event as send email, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and if you're connecting Gmail with Pabbly Connect for the first time, directly click on this button and provide the access of your Gmail account. Okay, but I have connected this Gmail multiple times. Okay, so how about I reuse the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Gmail account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Now the very first thing it is asking for the recipient email address to whom you want to send the email. So in this particular case I want to send the email to my customer who has booked an appointment with us. Okay, so I'm going to map the email address of the customer again from the drop down. Okay, so this is our TidyCal response where we have got all the details of the customer. Let me search for the email address. Alright, so I have added the same. Now it is asking for a lot of things, so I'm going to leave all the less important fields blank. I'm going to provide the data only into the required fields. Okay, so let's say it is asking for the sender name. Okay, so how about I add the name something like ABC Salon and team. Okay, I think this name is really looking good, but I will have to correct the spelling. ABC Salon and team, asking for the email subject. We would love to hear from you. Okay, along with this I also want to attach the name of the customer. So again, before this I will map the name. Let me search for the name of the person, which was I guess demo or dummy. Okay, I will have to check for the full name. Give me a second. So here I have the full name, that is demo customer. Let me also place a comma. Demo customer, we would love to hear from you. Okay, asking for the reply to and this email content type. So again I'll go with the plain email only. If you want to send the email along with lot of formatting, you can go with this HTML, and you can also visit this tutorial, complete tutorial on how to create HTML email. Okay, so how about I compose the email something like hello, and once again I want that the name of the customer should appear, so I have mapped it successfully. Let me add the comma, and here I will paste the content which I have prepared in my notepad. Okay, so give me a second. Alright, so I have copied that content. We would love to hear from you. Alright, please share your feedback by filling out this customer feedback form. So here, after this hyphen, I am going to attach the link of my form. This is the customer feedback form. Let me copy this link. Alright, give me a second. Let me click on this back button and make sure the permission of this form should be shareable with anyone. Okay, coming back, let me paste the link. Okay, we would love to hear from you. Please share your feedback by filling out this quick customer feedback form. We will use your feedback to improve our services, and thanks. Okay, so in this way I have composed this very basic email, and here the name will change automatically as soon as a new booking is arrived, as soon as the booking of new customer is arrived. Okay, so I think I have provided all the details. How about I click on this button, and you will notice that a new email will be received along with the customer feedback form. Okay, so give me a second. Let me click here. Alright, so the response is received, which is saying that the email has been sent. Let me refresh my Gmail account. And here you can notice the email is arrived with the very same subject line, demo customer, we would love to hear from you. Hello demo customer, we would love to hear from you. Please share your feedback by filling out this quick customer feedback form. We will use your feedback to improve our services. Thanks. Okay, well, in this particular case I have composed a very basic email content. You can create your email as per your choice, and in this way customer can access this customer feedback form and can share his or her experience with you. I hope you have understood. So in this way you can automate the process of sending the customer feedback form to your customers after 2 to 3 hours of the appointment, that too automatically. And in order to automate this whole process, you need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And in order to avoid any confusion, you can also rename these two steps. Okay, so how about I rename this step, that is converting date and time from UTC to Asia/Kolkata. I think it is looking good. And in the same way you can also rename this date and time formatter step. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 5-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.